Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to transfer Google account to another phone on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, your Google account is used for authentication and security purposes, including two-factor authentication and account recovery. So, transferring your Google account ensures that you can maintain the security of your account on your new device. Well, let's go to the tutorial. First of all, open the Settings app and scroll down until you find Google option. Click to open, and then click the side arrow here. So select Add another account. Well, after that, enter the log code and enter your email address. When finished, click Next and enter the password. So, click Next to continue, and then click I agree. So, you have successfully moved your Google account to your new device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to transfer Google account to another phone on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.